Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the password of your Oppo A16. To this operation, go to the settings here and go down and search for the password and biometrics here, and there is option set lock screen password. Okay, there is important notice, you can read it because it's very important. Now go continue and use your PIN to enter the phone. So in this case we're gonna set up all 8. Yes, use it. Repeat all 8 to accept it. No, in this case we don't add any fingerprints. And let's try if it's working. As you see, the phone won't want to enter the password, and as you see we are enter. And now I show you how to disable this password from the phone. So one more time, go settings, go password, lock screen password. Now set up your password, it's all 8, and turn off the password. You can confirm it by your PIN, all 8 of course, and that's it. Now we don't have any password of our phone. Yep. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!